Good morning, everybody. This is the week 5 discussion topic on visual media. This is my visual essay. I'm going to be beginning the presentation. The topic that I chose, the buzzword that I chose rather, is online shopping. Shopping in the 21st Century by me, Frank Rivera. This is the traditional experience before online shopping took place. Obviously, as you can see, this is kind of what we were used to, walking around malls, checking out all the stores and all the items in the stores. Now these are the only two things that you need. Basically a computer and a credit or debit card. Makes it very convenient and very easy. Obviously, this is why online shopping became so popular. Companies like Amazon have been the biggest beneficiaries of online shopping for obvious reasons. They sell basically a whole general list of items from clothes to books to movies to electronics. Basically everything under the sun you can pretty much find on Amazon. So they are obviously the biggest beneficiaries of online shopping. Some items that are commonly purchased, things like shoes, clothes, cosmetics, women's cosmetics, men's care, general electronics, computers, phones, headphones, watches, smartwatches rather, and any kind of computer accessories that you can find, video games. Travel is also something that people purchase online. Boarding passes, vacation packages, all sorts of things to make it easier to travel. And obviously the delivery options. There's countless delivery options. USPS, UPS, and FedEx are the three biggest delivery options that usually companies choose. So typically these are the ones that you see delivering these items to your door. And that is online shopping. I'd like to thank you all for tuning into this slideshow. Please give me some positive feedback on anything that you think I could improve on in this presentation and what I could do better at. And I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.